my name is Mariah Ruiz Dickerson. I think the peanut butter sandwich is yummy, and I think the peanut, I cannot guess, but the peanut butter, I'm just joking. The peanut butter sandwich is really best, but sometimes it's not good or good. I think for me it's good. To the best, to the world, the best, to the best, the world is yummy. I think that peanut sandwich is beautiful because that peanut butter sandwich is different kind of, I think is different kind of flavors that is like the jelly or like a bacon. I don't know, but maybe sandwich. I don't know. Maybe strawberry. I don't know. So yes, that's the TV, and we will see. Maybe it's yummy, yummy.